Now I want to introduce you to something called the Skyscraper Method. Basically, it's an analogy for how to build bigger and better things. For example, do you care what's the 10th tallest building in the world? No, people don't care about that. Usually people care about the tallest or the second tallest or the tallest in their country, something the biggest, right? And that's the strategy, is that you're going to build your own skyscraper. You're going to one up the previous one. So for example, let's say you wanted to write a blog about Pinterest marketing and you wanted to rank for that. So you look at Pinterest marketing, you literally search for that on Google and see what comes up and see what the sites are. First, you'll notice, of course, that a lot of the sites are very reputable, like Sprout Social is a big site. HubSpot is, like $1 billion company perhaps now. And there are some individual bloggers like Reg Fitzpatrick and so on. So it would be hard to rank. So what you have to do is create the best article on this topic ever. That's your skyscraper. That's what's going to give you the chance to rank above these more authoritative sites. So you literally go and click on them, read all of them. Like read this one, look at the headlines, make a list of points that you like. And you see this one is actually, it's long and it has a lot of pictures, but maybe it's a little basic, right? Probably it's kind of high level only. So you go through a lot of them. Now this one is 25 points. The other one was 5 points. This one is like 25. Do's and don'ts. This one is 12. So yours would be like 50. Okay, so you would make like 50 Pinterest marketing strategies, and maybe you'd have videos and photos, and it'll be really fast loading times and all that. So it would be much, much better article, like blow everybody else out of the water. And that's the skyscraper method, is that then you'll have the best article on this topic. And you can always add, let's say somebody else comes out with 51 Pinterest strategies, then you go and add 5 more. So yours will have 55. And basically you'll always have the best article on this topic. And that's essentially the skyscraper method.